Oh boy! It's like magic! I can't wait to tell my turtle friends about this!
I have to watch the direction of the wind. I don't want the kite to get stuck in those branches.
Oh. Cap, it's stuck!
See? I was right. The wind is horrible. Say hello to the worst season ever.
This is probably why I never flew a kite before. Well, that and I'm pretty small and not very fast.
Don't worry, Guillaume. We'll get your kite down for you. Right, Cap?
Sure. I just don't know how.
I just saw Lilac. She's pretty upset about this wind. Could be days before it stops blowing.
Hello, Lilybuds. Young turtle. Hello, rodent. Why are you all staring up at my favorite tree?
Hey, Ellary. Our kite got stuck.
That is a problem. Why don't you just climb up and get it? That's what I would do.
You climb trees, Ellary.
What a question.
Psst, Cap, maybe he could get our kite down so we could try again?
Well, sure, we can ask. Ellary, could you climb this tree and get our kite down for us?
Sorry, I'm very busy at the moment.
We could get you some breakfast from the buttercup as a thank you.
I suppose I could climb that tree and bring down your kite.
Thank you, Ellary.
Thank you!
However, like all chipmunk tree climbers, I will need to do, some warm-up exercises first. Just a reminder, it's been a while since I've done this kind of thing, but since you're all so upset about this kite, I'll do it. I'm really more of an on-the-ground chipmunk, but I can't turn down the offer of a nice breakfast. Yeah. Got it! I believe this is your kite.
Oh, you're a hero, an honest-to-goodness hero.
I have to admit, Ellary, I didn't think you could do it. This deserves a delicious meal at the Buttercup.
I heard you earned this.
If you all insist.
We do, Super Chipmunk.
Oh, it's you again.
It was amazing to watch.
That's so.
Oh, any chipmunk could have done what I did. Not as well as me, naturally. But we are powerful climbers, even when it's windy.
I think you're even more powerful than the wind.
What?
Definitely.
So you could help me with your powers. You could stop the wind for me?
Sure.
I'll meet you in the meadow this afternoon. You'll stop the wind, I'll grow new flowers, and then I can have my blue petals. Bye!
Thorn, you have really outdone yourself with this lunch. Would you fetch me some more sunflower seeds from the kitchen?
Of course, anything.
Want even more Lilybuds? Then give this video a big